If you've got way too much stuff in your garage, your shed, or anywhere in your house, you may want to look at a set of storage shelves like these from Reibii. These are going to be 72 inches tall, 68 inches wide, 23 inches deep. Super easy to put together, adjustable. We're going to show you everything on here, and well, not all the products on here, but everything on the shelves and how the shelves work. First of all, I want to thank Reibii for sending us these so we can do this video for you guys. All right, so like I said, they're basically 6 feet tall, so I'm like 5'8", 5'9". You can see it's a little bit taller than I am. I love the metal construction here. This is powder coated. It is also going to be, I don't even know what this is called, but basically they add geometry to each of the beams to make it harder for them to basically bend or break or give under pressure. So I do like that. Whatever term that is, that's what it is. But the powder coating does help it resist rust, does also feel nice on the hand, so no jaggedy edges or things like that. Easy to assemble too. There's like, if you can use a screwdriver, you can put this together. Very simple. All the shelves do adjust, so you can see here. Any one of these little triangles can be where your shelves are. Now, what I generally recommend with shelves like this is that you put the heaviest items on the bottom. So I also make my bottom shelves a little bit taller than my top shelves. So that way, it just encourages me to not overstack the top. Now, if you do want to put a whole bunch of stuff on top, it does come with wall anchors. So you can anchor it to a wall. That's going to help with tipping. Let's see, outside of that, 23 inches deep. It's actually almost 24, it's like 23 and a half inches. It's also reinforced here. So you got the, you can see we've got the extra reinforcement bars going across and diagonal as well. So it's really helping keep the rigid shape of that frame, especially as it's under load. Same thing with our bars here. These can hold a good amount of weight, and there's actually 4 supporting, I don't know what you call them, bars going across. So not only are you distributing weight across the gridded metal, but also across each of these little support guys, which are also, again, bent into almost like a little tiny I-beam kind of configuration. I guess it'd be like a C-beam or whatever half an I-beam is. That is what these are. So they do have more rigidity and strength than just a normal sheet going across. All right, so let's see. Anything else on here? They're actually very easy to move. When this is not loaded up, you can move it as one person. You know, you're probably used to, but I was able to move it throughout the garage without a problem to get it ready for filming. And then as you can see, you can just stack a stupid amount of stuff on here. So I've got all my lawn stuff. We've got our camping stuff. We've got all fishing and water activities down here. And then we've got obviously things like, you know, appliances, power tools on the bottom. You can also put stuff off on the side. Like I've got a dry bag right here. We can hang like our camping stuff off on the side. Waders, if you need to hang waders, it's tall enough to be able to drain them out. And because, again, it's powder coated, you're not gonna rust. So altogether, a great set of shelves from Reibii, would definitely recommend them.